Hi guys, it's Sarah. Today I am going to be fidget shopping at Five Below for blue only fidgets and fidget toys. You guys, I'm so excited for this video, so hopefully we can find some blue poppets or any cool fidgets. So without any further ado, let's just get into this exciting video.
Alrighty guys, let's go in. Here we are at Five Below. You guys, I'm so excited. Get a basket. You guys, I'm already here and look, there's a Play-Doh advent calendar. Guys, you know how cool that is? And there's Play-Doh. There's even a winter themed Play-Doh, you guys. This is so cool. They're not blue, but they are fidgets. You guys. Yeah, these are Poppets. Alright. These literally look so amazing. This is a football. And it has like this camouflage pattern. What the heck? This is so cool. I've never seen anything like this. Anyways, let's find some. So I can already tell there's gonna be some blue Poppets, so let's get them. What is this, a blue narwhal? It's literally marble. What the heck? Okay, drop that one in. This one has different colors and shades of blue. Okay, let's like, this one has pink ones. These have pink bubbles. Okay, this one is literally so cute. It's my favorite. Oh my gosh. Also get this blue skull Poppet. Oh my gosh, what? You guys, Five Below has the most craziest shapes ever. So we're gonna put that in. You guys, look at this one. Has a lot of blue. It's a llama wearing sunglasses. It has two shades of blue, so I think that should count as a blue fidget. So we're gonna pop that in. All right, you guys. I think we got. Wait, no. You guys, I think you guys know what I'm saying. This is a blue glitter Poppet. What is that? Is that a sloth? You guys, it's adorable. I think we got all the blue Poppets in this section. There's an Aqualon hard shell Poppet with blue glitters. It's literally meant for me. So I think we got all the blue Poppets in this section. You guys, look at, there's a whole Squishmallow section. Oh wait, it says it's a trading card. It's not a fidget. I thought it would be like maybe those mini squishies, but it's not. Come on. You guys, look how cute these erasers are. Like, you can like build stuff out of them. They're shoe shaped. How cool is that? There's a blue fortune. Oh my gosh, this is not squishy. I wish this was. This would literally be totally perfect for the challenge, but it's not a fidget. Here we are at this other toy section. There's a bunch of Baby Yoda. Like, Five Below is obsessed. Look how many big cute little Baby Yodas. Okay. Ooh, there's some sensory toys, but there's only one blue one. Slimy snails? Wait, I wonder if it's blue. It says it's pink. Oh, guys, maybe I should do a pink fidget shopping next. Wait, there's orb sensory toys. What is this one? A mixture of crunchy coating. This one is blue, and it's literally a cupcake, or is it boba? Yeah, this is a cupcake. Guys, look at all these. Look at this giant pop tube section. Oh my gosh, what the heck? There's so many. Wait, these ones are also glow in the dark. That's so rare. Wait, it only has one blue pop tube, so that's like a third of them. It's not gonna count. But these ones, I feel like purple is like a shade of blue, so maybe it'll count. I think I'll let these ones slide. Plus, these are very majestic. Yo, there's a whole giant triple dimple section. What the heck, they're even metallic? Okay, let's get our basket ready. Okay, this one is gold and has blue pops. So most of it is blue. Okay, I literally love this blue color. Okay, let's see. Maybe there's a blue fidget spinner. Oh, I don't think there is. There's so many banana poppers. What the heck? Oh my gosh, but they're yellow. Oh, come on. What the? There's like a whole blue fidget section. They're all Poppets. Okay. Is this a whale or a shark? You guys, comment down below what that is. But it's literally fully blue, so I'm gonna get this one. And this one's an octagon Poppet, and it has literally such tiny, like itty bitty glitters. So this is perfect for the challenge. Okay, let's go see. Oh wait, that's dark purple. Oh, there's those rocking unicorns here. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Okay, there's another fidget section. Okay, there's so many different colors, and you guys, you can see there's a blue one. Look at this. Five Below has such rare fidget toys. It's amazing. Ooh, these buns. Oh my gosh, these are so kawaii. How do these work? Oh my gosh, I think you open it and then there's, oh, it's obviously taped, but like you take it out and it's like such a cute squish toy. Hugs and mugs. Oh my god, you guys, these are literally one of my favorite Fidget toys ever. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, peekaboo. And there's one more in a mug, but it's broken. Oh, how sad. You guys, I completely missed this. There's an astronaut Poppet. Like, I'm telling you guys, I've actually never seen this. Like, I've heard of skull Poppets, but astronauts with glitter, this is crazy. This is like rare. It's perfect. Ooh, there's some bunch of keychains here. Maybe there's some fidgets. Some blue ones. Oh, perfect, you guys. What is this? Seems squishy. Oh my gosh, this is literally so kawaii. What the heck? It's like a balloon and it feels like it. It's so freaking adorable in the basket. Okay, there's some more keychains. These are fluffy, but they're not really squishy, so they don't count as fidgets. This has to be the most adorable panda ever created. I want it. You guys, there's some kind of light bulb keychain, and it's blue. Look at this, like mermaid colors. It matches my bracelet perfectly. Look, I think it lights up. Look at that. Okay, let's try this.
Huh?
Okay. Yes, you guys, see it lit up. Oh my gosh, look how fun. It's also pretty squishy, so I'm gonna drop that in. There's one blue spike ball left, you guys. These are definitely fidgets. They literally serve so good as like back massagers and just massagers for your hand. So, you guys, I just found the most cutest thing ever. Look at this. This is mushies. So they're basically squishies. It says right here. Look at this. You can actually squish it. So these definitely serve as fidgets. So let's try to get one lucky. Okay, this one looks, seems pretty light, but let's get two because there's literally so many. There's like different seasons or something, and they're mini. There's also this one, so let's get one of these. I can feel something very squishy inside of here. Okay, let's get one of these too. Perfect. Nothing else. Okay, here we are at another toy section. Look at this. There's a tiny toot, which is like a megaphone or something, like a mini. Look at these little tiny squishmallow cars. What the heck? They're so squishy. Someone's like a unicorn and it's blue, so it's perfect for the challenge. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's like a headband or something. Surprise, but it's not a fidget, so like, not a surprise for me. What the heck? Jiggle pets? What? This is like the craziest thing ever. What is this? So it's basically like a textured thing. It's not really squishy. It's like there's plastic inside, but it's blue and it's textured, and it's literally like a monkey noodle. Ooh, there's some sensory stuff. Okay, there's this one. It has a bunch of blue in it too. How about I get this one? Because again, like I said before, purple like seems like a shade of blue, so it's kind of like slime. Guys, there's bubbles for $5 and there's 6 for $5. You guys, that's so amazing. Oh, but like only one of them is blue, so that's definitely not the majority. So, what is this blue thing? Marshmallows. I don't know what this is, but they don't seem like fidgets. Oh, there's mini brands. What? This looks so cute.
Wacky packages? Look at that. It's like a knockoff of mini brands, and like the labels are like Sneer instead of the regular brand. You guys, that's so cool.
Wait, these ones? Okay, these are definitely squishies. What the heck? What does it say? Mushy. Wait, these ones are bigger than the other ones. I think we had this one. Look, there's even fake sushi. I thought it was gummy, but it's not. Ooh. Yes, you guys, slime. Finally, we found some slime at Five Below. Oh, no, somebody opened this one. What the heck? Why do people keep on breaking things and opening? Okay, let's feel it, you guys. Hopefully it's not sticky. Oh, wow, it's actually kind of melted. That's pretty cool. It doesn't have such a big residue. Let's look for some blue slime. This is definitely gray or silver. And these ones are pink, but very pretty because they're shaped like pyramids. How fun. Guys, there's neon putty and there's only one blue one left. So that's perfect for the challenge. Fake tongue, what? Guys, that looks so real. Okay, that's gross. It's like for pranks and stuff. Guys, look at all these balls. There's so many in here for each $5. Like, it's a whole ball section. There's so many bins. What is this? You guys. Okay, there's so many jiggly balls, and they're absolutely giant. Look at this one. It's so heavy, but it's so pretty. It even has these, like, textured things in here. Do you guys see that? at those like spots. There's so many blue ones, you guys. This is perfect. So first we got this one. This is a very nice. Look at it. It's filled with pigment, with silver pigment, but it's blue and it has these like designs on it, like these wind ones. So I'm gonna drop that in. Okay, let's get one more because there's many varieties. Wait, you guys, they're actually all the same one. They're just some are mixed and some aren't. Oh, I guess not actually. All right, well, there's some more balls. Oh, these are not squishy at all. Let's see if they can bounce though. Oh, this is actually pretty bouncy, you guys. But it's not a fidget. You guys, I just found the craziest thing. Five Below actually has Frozen themed yo-yos. You guys, yo-yos are actually really underrated fidgets, but they actually are because like you like roll them up and down and look at them. They're literally Elsa and Anna and all of them combined themed. Like you guys, this is perfect. And there is blue and like a violet, which is like a mix of pink and blue. So this is absolutely perfect, and it's literally winter themed, which is blue. So. And it's on the clearance section, so it's 50% off, you guys. So $2.50 for 3. Like, that's the best deal ever. Okay, guys, I think we found all of the blue fidgets and fidget toys at Five Below. I think we found literally so many. We almost hit the jackpot, you guys. We got so many, like, from these Dimple, Trimple fidget spinners, putties. There was actually a lot of squishies. I was actually really surprised. And, of course, there was, like, 1,000 Poppets here at Five Below. And I'm not even joking. Like, there's so many. And of course, they're all literally so cool and exquisite. Comment down below which fidget toy was your favorite. Mine was actually probably, I think, this rose gold Dimple spinner. Because I'm just obsessed with this super shiny gold color. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment other colors I should fidget shop for next. And like, subscribe if you want to. Bye.
On the screen are today's shoutouts. If you guys also would like a shoutout, just subscribe, turn notifications on, and be the first 20 people to comment hashtag notification squad on my video.